Hi and welcome to your next car, the walk around video for the F33 320i M Sport in Alpine White. Car has a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, and we've just equipped it with a brand new set of Mperformance style alloy wheels that come all the way around with brand new tyres. At the front of the car, you can see it's a 2016 16 plate, has the LED headlamps down the side of the car, as well as being able to see it's a very clean and tidy example. You can see just how well the Alpine White works with all of the additions we've made. Some of those additions down the side are the satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and of course those very standout alloy wheels. In terms of the interior for this 320i M Sport, it does have the very nice black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with the electric lumbar. It's a 6-speed manual, and as you can see there, all of that is in great condition. In terms of the rear seat arrangement, we do have a nice F33 3-seat rear bench, folding armrest, and of course a darkened M Sport headlining once again. The rear seats in this car look like they've barely ever been sat in. They're in really great condition. Again, showing you off those fantastic alloys before I head to the very rear of the car. We opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler and matching diffuser for this 320i, and it really does look a great set against the Alpine White. Boot capacity for the F33 3 Series is a very large one, as you can see there, and it also of course comes accompanied with the genuine floor mats. Round to the driver's side, where once more we can show you that this is a real clean and tidy example, and again showing you off all of the additions we've made. And I shall now go through, take a seat, and just run yourself through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. We've also got this very nice white stitching and the oyster piping on the seats, as you can see there, which of course is always a bit of nice to stand out from the regular black Dakota seats, despite how nice they may be. Starting the car up, we'll run yourself through a couple of the features and functions of the BMW Business sat nav and media screen we have. Starting with the sat nav, we've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with DAB and a wide array of other multimedia inputs. This 320i has covered just over 81,000 miles. Despite the slightly higher mileage, hopefully throughout this video you've seen it's an exemplary, clean and tidy example. It does come with some nice options, and of course with the additions we've made, it's a really eye-catching car. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. And of course, don't forget, we are all being urged to sort of sway towards going back to petrol vehicles now, so of course now may be the time to do so. If you of course have been looking, I do thoroughly recommend this lovely 320i engine. In terms of service wise, 14,000 miles till next service, and it does come with full comprehensive BMW service history. So we'll go right down to the bottom. First service all the way up to the most recent, which was at 76778, and we'll just go into a couple of those. That was for a service including both front and rear, and a vehicle check as well. That's front and rear brake pads. And the time before that, let's just go and quickly check that for you. Again, that was, I think that's just a duplicate service check on there. I'm not sure what's happened there, but anyway, nice peace of mind there for you. Anyway, safe to say this car has got full BMW service history, which again is always a great peace of mind. Once more, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you do of course want to get in touch or want to view the car on our website, I'll leave all of the links down below in the description for you to do so, and we'll really look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Thank you, do of course take care, and bye bye.